For the Adani Group, the Bombay High Court has upheld the tender awarded to Adani Properties by Maharashtra government for Dharavi Slum Redevelopment Project. A division bench of Chief Justice D.K. Upadhyay and Justice Amit Borkar dismissed a petition filed by UAE-based Seclink Technologies Corporation. Charu, my colleague, joins in with more details. Charu, take it over.
Hi, so the hearings in the case were already over and the judgment was reserved somewhere in August, and now the Chief Justice's bench has come out with a detailed judgment on the case. So UAE-based company Seclink's petition against the tender's result has been dismissed. The court has found that the petition was baseless and does not have the substance to be carried any forward. Now what happened here was the Maharashtra government had come out with a tender for Dharavi redevelopment back in 2018, and then the Seclink, the company which is based in UAE, had won it because it was the highest bidder for over 7,000 crore rupees. But however, that tender was cancelled and a new tender of 2022 was passed, and the result was that Adani Group would be the winner of the tender. It was favouring Adani in front. Now, here the government had said that this particular acceptance for Adani Group was based solely on fair measures, and the 2018 tender was rejected only because of the COVID pandemic, Russia-Ukraine war and other external factors, and there was nothing unfair involved in the entire process, and the court has now come for the rescue of the Maharashtra government, favouring Adani Infra in the long run.